So we're going to hand plant our birds. We're going to run them into this cage. You can see the little side door. We're going to open it up. Put our cage up to that door. And we'll go inside and we'll run the birds into the cage that we're going to plant with, we're going to use the launchers. That little side door makes it real convenient to hand plant your birds. Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Nothing to it. You can see the other birds, we got a few of them up on top there. We'll use those in a little bit. And we'll just go ahead and close that door and we'll be ready to go.